Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to enable two-factor authentication in Discord. So let's get started. At first let's get into Discord app. So here it is. Now go to the profile icon in the bottom right corner. So let's tap on this and click on account. Now here you can see enable two-factor authentication. So let's tap on this. Now write your password. Now click on OK. Now you should have already downloaded Authenticator app. If you have done so, click on next. Now copy this code. Now we need to go to Authentication app. So when you have written the code, copy it from the Authentication app. Now here we can see our 2FA is activated. Now click on done. So this is all we need to do to enable authentication in Discord. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.